Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and I'm gonna show you how to allow the camera app to scan QR codes at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see for now we are in the standard photo mode. So let's move now to more advanced options. We can do it by tapping on this button here in the left corner and it opens as the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the intelligent features. At the last position here we have the scan QR codes option, so by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works. And of course I suggest you to keep this turned on because this is the best and easiest way to scan QR codes on this device, so you don't need any other app to do it. You can do it by just using the camera. So that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.